I'm Dr Malcom Crowe, and I will be the new lecturer for the Certificate 5 in Paranormal Studies coming to North Metropolitan TAFE. Having taught paranormal psychology in the UK and on Australia's eastern seaboard for more than a decade, I'm excited to bring this concept to the Midland campus. It provides the potential to make life-changing discoveries about extraterrestrial life, our own human existence, and whether or not there is anything out there. And yes, you're right to be skeptical. People often say, Dr. Crowe, you're crazy. Paranormal studies? Is this for real? Yes, I am for real. That shiver on the back of your neck, the shadowy figure in the corner of your photograph, the movement on a Ouija board, these are all unexplained phenomena. And that is why we need paranormal studies. The students will be given the tools to interpret these questions.
It's a smudge.
The latest equipment, from measuring electromagnetic fields to infrared cameras to, handy cams. But we cover it all. How to take clear footage of a ghost. We cover it all. I often say to my students, the truth must be found. So if you're interested in film and television, have a keen eye for details, love late nights and talking to strangers, then the Certificate 5 in Paranormal Studies is for you.